My backyard gate latch is broken, so I'll be installing a new one today. First thing I'll do is to remove the old latch using appropriate screwdriver. So here's the new one. I'm just gonna install this one on. Just gonna align it in the same hole and screw it on. So I've got all 4 screws on. Now the head is a strip on this one, so I'm gonna use vice grip or something to take it out. So got a vice grip on this. Now I'm just gonna turn. In the same screw hole, I'll screw the new one in. Now I'll put the new screw in the same holes. It's time to test. There you go. The last thing to do is put a string that goes through this hole so you can just open it from outside. To pass the string through this hole, I'm just going to use this metal wire, tie it with this and then pass it through. So I'm just going to use it like a needle. So as you can see, it's passed through here. I'm just gonna bend this a little bit. Just like this. Now the other end, I'll just pass it through the hole. And pull from the other side. There you go. So I'm just gonna tie this here, just like this. So if you pull, it will open. On the other end, I'm just gonna put this ring that came with, and I'm just gonna put extra one that I have, this plastic one, to both together so it doesn't go back through this hole. So when you pull this, it opens, push, it's locked. Hope you liked this video. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe and don't forget to hit like. Thank you for watching.